Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today is 25th November 2025. We are loading our hammer mill grinding machine to India. As you can see, this hammer mill with a 75 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour. It is a multi-functional machine, suitable for any kinds of biomass material like wood chips, agriculture waste. It is also a high efficiency hammer mill. Here we use an electric motor, which the speed is 2,980 RPM. And this hammer mill rotor connected with this electric motor directly. And the capacity can reach 2 to 3 tons per hour. And we use the accessories like cyclone, airlock, fan blower, dust collector working together with this hammer mill. And we use a negative connection for fan blowers. So all materials will go directly to cyclone. The fan blower fans will no wearing. And this machine is also an easy maintenance hammer mill. And as you can see that these two doors, it's easy for you to open the door and replace the hammers and screen for maintenance working. Okay, everyone, if you have any interest in Longze high efficiency hammer mill grinding machine, please send your inquiry to our team. That's all for today's introduction about this machine. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.